How to claim on car insurance after an accident. Explanation about 5 specific cases you might want to know how to claim on car insurance if your car is in an accident. What you need to know before filing a claim is explained on this page. In addition, you should know what to do if the motorist is uninsured or refuses to provide you with their information. How to claim on car insurance in the event of an accident. You ought to not acknowledge your error at the scene with the other drivers, exchange names and other information, and ask for the names of any further witnesses. Your insurance might be able to track down a person if they won't provide you their information via their vehicle's registration number. Even if you don't want to file a claim, immediately notify your insurer about the accident. Show the police your insurance card or cover note if someone is hurt. Take the documents to the police station within 7 days if you can't do it there and then. Take pictures that you might subsequently be able to use as proof in the event that you need to make a claim. How to claim on car insurance if you have complete coverage for any injuries or losses not covered by your own policy. You can still file a claim with the insurance company of the other motorist. These are known as uninsured losses, and they can include the excess on your insurance policy, loss of profits, alternative transportation while your own vehicle is being repaired, and personal injuries. Any losses should be kept to a minimal, and you should keep records of them. If you need to rent another car, it need to be comparable to your own car. Get a claim form from your insurer or send a letter with the necessary information to the other motorist or their insurer, including the specifics of the collision and the other driver's policy number. Any independent witnesses should be reported to your insurance, and if possible, witness testimonies should be sent. They might be able to assist you if you purchased your coverage through a broker or agent. Make sure you preserve copies of any papers and correspondence. How to claim on car insurance when third-party insurance is present. You ought to file a claim against the other driver and let the insurer determine who was at fault for the collision. You will be required to pay for your own car's damages if they determine that you are at fault. Inform the other driver in writing if you intend to make a claim against them. Inform the business as well if they were operating a company car. Inform your own insurer that you have completed this. The other driver needs to notify their own insurance company about the collision. By calling the motor insurance database, you can determine if the other driver is covered by insurance. Send any correspondence or claim forms you receive from the other driver or their insurer after an accident to your own insurance company. If the driver cannot be located or has no insurance, if you have comprehensive coverage, you can make a claim on your own insurance. If the driver is uninsured, your claim can possibly be resolved by the Motor Insurers Bureau, MIB. This includes situations where the driver violated the terms of their insurance policy. If you are an injured passenger of an uninsured driver and you knew or reasonably should have known that they were uninsured, you will not be eligible to make a claim. Making car repairs before you have your car fixed. Your insurer can send someone to inspect it. Before having repairs made, they can ask you to use an authorized repairer or to give them an estimate. If your car is in better shape after repairs than it was before, you can be required to cover some of the repair costs yourself. If your insurer thinks it is not cost-effective to repair your car, they must provide you the market value of the car. They often take your car away after that, but you might be able to work out a deal to keep it. Older car with little damage. You could opt not to file an insurance claim if you suffer a minor accident in an classic car because you fear the car will be written off. After that, you can fix the car yourself and keep it. Ask the insurance provider how they determine this if you make an insurance claim and your car is deemed a write-off. For instance, if the cost of repairs is only 60% of the car's worth, some insurers will write off the car. By negotiating with your insurance provider, you might be able to make a claim on your insurance and keep the automobile from being written off in some circumstances. You might haggle to get your car appraised higher than what the insurance provider initially proposed. Additionally, you might be able to locate a garage that charges less for the repairs than the one the insurer has authorized. Before you proceed with the repairs from a different garage, the insurance company must approve them.